The video is intended for those who have not yet encountered at least one of these technologies: Java Virtual Machine and Java JDK, Eclipse IDE, Drools, Rules Machine. The purpose of the video is to show how to install and run the Drools system examples as simply as possible and to start creating your own expert system. The first step is to install the Java SE Development Kit by typing in the web browser Java JDK download or using link provided below this video. We choose our operating system and download the installation program. We run it and install the Java SE Development Kit. Then we start the terminal of the operating system. In the Windows environment, we simply enter the cmd command. Then enter the following command in the terminal environment: setx. Note: if you have installed a different version of Java JDK on your computer, modify the JDK path in the entered command accordingly. It should be noted what the command setx does. This is a way to save system constants on your computer. In this case, we will tell all programs for Java installation where to look for it. Then we close the cmd terminal window, and after that we open a new cmd terminal window. Enter the command echo java home. We need to see the path where we installed Java JDK. We enter the command Java version and check that the Java Virtual Machine is visible in the environment of our operating system. Second step: installation of Eclipse IDE Integrated Development Environment. We simply enter Eclipse IDE download in the internet browser, download the installer and install Eclipse IDE. During the installation, we select Eclipse IDE for Java developers. The third step is installing the Drools system. We type Drools in the web browser or just use link provided below. On Drools system page, we click on Try Drools and then click the distribution zip link and download the file. We extract everything to the desired directory. In my case, it's just C drive, the root directory. In C drive will be created directory Drools distribution 8 final, which I will rename to Drools 8, just for convenience. We start the cmd terminal window and change the current directory with the command cd Drools 8 examples. In the terminal environment, we run the run examples command. The example program should start. We press the Fibonacci example command. We should see Fibonacci number sequence printed in the terminal window. We close the example program and then we start Eclipse IDE program. We select the menu item File, Import. Then we select following: Maven, existing Maven project. In the window that opens, click on the Browse command near root directory parameter. We select the directory Drools 8 example sources and press the command select folder. Note: in the import Maven project window, in the projects parameter, we should see a checked tick pom.xml. Pom.xml is the main description file for Maven project. It lists all necessary libraries that the Maven program will install automatically. Important note: it is possible that you, like me, will get 3 error messages. Project Drools examples is missing required source folder. In this case, we go to the File Explorer program and create the following directories: sources src test java, sources src test resources. We return to Eclipse IDE program and select the menu item, Projects, Update Maven Project and everything must work. We can check by going to the project branch or Drools examples Fibonacci and run the Fibonacci example Java.